is Abraham Betancourt Jr. We're here in BC Fruta in Lindsay, California.
Abraham Betancourt runs a family-owned tangerine orchard and packing facility. They depend on the sun to help the fruit trees grow and produce the sweetest fruit. Now they also use the sun to power the packing company with solar energy.
The factory packs fruit, mainly mandarins. We ship to everywhere in the United States and Canada. Our bills were too high, so we wanted to invest in solar so we can lower them.
After finding us on the web, we met with them, analyzed their bills, and came up with a solar solution to save them money. We provided a system for their business as well as their home. With savings off their electric bill as well as tax incentives, they should be able to recoup the money spent on their solar business improvement in about 7 years or so, and then have free power for another 20 years or more.
And they worked great and fast, and they finished their job well. It feels great. We have less, our bills are lower, and we don't have to worry about paying so much. It's really helping us a lot, and it's good for the environment.